This is our new reader. It's the successor of uPASS Reach. The difference between the uPASS Reach and uPASS Go, the new version, is the shape, of course. We are trying to align the same color with the existing readers that we have. And yeah, so this reader is having a 10 meter range. And it comes also with a pole mounting set, so you don't have to order it separately. With a very competitive price. Also, we are trying to matching the same as the old pricing of the uPASS Reach. So this color of this LED color changes once you show the tag to the reader. What we have here is the passive tags. These passive tags are without batteries, so it's a windshield sticker tag. We have different type of tags. We have tags where you can have it outside, it's exterior tags, and we have heavy duty tags, but what we are showing here is only the normal windshield tags. Of course, if any customer wanted his logo to be printed on these tags, we can do it also as well. These tags are from Nedap, and the reader is from Nedap also. We can implement a lot of, let's say, security features in these tags, depending on the requirement of the, let's say, of the facility. So, as you can see here on the reader, if we show the tags to the reader, the color will change from blue. Blue means it's not reading anything. Once it detects the tags, the color change to the green. And after that, how to see what is happening inside the reader, we go to our platform, Nedap ALS platform. We can see here in the events list that this car with this number has passed the gate, and this reader opened the gate for this vehicle. So as you can see, here is our platform. This platform from Nedap. But also, as I mentioned earlier, this reader can be connected to any access control platform because it has so many communication protocol, and it is integrated with other access control systems as well.